Now, what investors will not tell you and how to invest in real estate the right way is the secret that I'm going to tell you right now. Now, as you're investing in real estate, here is the number one secret that you must do. You must build the business first. Build the business first. Now, you might be thinking, oh, I'm going to turn off this video because, oh, it's boring. No, this is literally the way to make sure you don't lose money, that you make money, that you do this business well, and it becomes automatic. So here's the big key, is building the business first. Now, you'll have some other real estate people who will actually be telling you the way to invest in real estate is to find a property, analyze the deal, make sure it's going to make you money and passive income, and buy it, and then get somebody renting it out and you'll be fine. Literally, don't do that. That is the worst advice you would ever give, and nobody else is talking about this. Nobody else talks about what I'm going to be telling you right now and teaching you how to do. This is the main secret to being successful, to buying property after property. Having the business being automatic where it runs on its own. I literally work 30 minutes a month, not just a day or a week, a month, 30 minutes a month on all my 30 plus properties, and I still make thousands and thousands of dollars every single month in passive income. Hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income, and I want to show you how to quit that JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate rental properties so you never ever have to work a job again. And get my free real estate investing course in the description below. If you go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course, I will literally give you my free course where I'll show you how to find properties, how to fund properties, how to invest out of state, how to make sure it's an automatic business, how to buy it right, and how to quit your job with that. So go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course or check in the description as well. Now, as you are doing this one secret, now it's not necessarily a secret, it's just that nobody literally is telling you how to do this. I'm going to tell you how to do this. I want you to be successful. I don't want you to be one of those investors that I buy properties off of. See, this is what happens when somebody doesn't follow this secret, when they actually do what the other gurus say, what the other people say. Hey, just analyze the property, make sure you're making money and buy it and you'll be fine. Don't do that. Now, this is what happens. People follow that advice. They follow that advice and they buy the property. They do it wrong. They start losing money. They get bad tenants. The property managers are stealing from them. So many bad things are going on. And after year of them being frustrated, pulling their hair out, I come in and say, hey, would you mind selling your property? Oh, please, I'm so tired of tenants. I'm so tired of this property. I'm so tired of this, that, and the other. I'm so tired of everything about this. Take this property off my hands. I've literally done this where I paid there was one house I bought. It was worth like $200,000. I bought it for $125,000. I said, because of the rents, this is the max that I can pay for it. It was $125,000. And they accepted it. In fact, I want to say we got to like maybe 130 or something like that. But that was literally $70,000 saved. Isn't that amazing? Now that house is literally worth like almost $300,000. So it's fantastic. Let me get back to building the business. This is what it's going to look like. As you are building the business, you have some certain steps that you're going to have to go through. Number one, you're going to have to find the area of the country to invest in. Now, like I said, I invest all over the country. I invest in Texas, Ohio, Arizona. I used to live in California, but I also have students that invest in like Tennessee, in North and South Carolina, to Florida, up to Idaho, and all these other places that you can too. It's not that hard. And in all these places that we are investing, it's really just a step-by-step process to actually do this right, to build the business first. Now, any of my students, what they've done is they've literally found the area. And what you do is you literally use the internet. Is so amazing right now. When I first got started in 2006, 2007, I was buying properties and I was literally flying to places to see properties because there wasn't technology like there is now. Now, I literally never fly anywhere. In fact, all of my hundreds of students, they don't fly to the places that they're investing. In fact, they don't even see the property before they buy it. Out of the 30 plus properties, I have literally only seen one of them before I bought it. I've literally only seen 2 total out of all the 30 plus properties. All the other ones, I literally don't need to see it because it's inventory. It's a business. Now, let me give you an example of why you want to build the business first. And this is a secret. Imagine if you had a convenience store. Now, this convenience store is bare bones. There's nothing in it. It's just a vacant room. You want to start a convenience store in there. You open the doors, you grab a box of candy bars, you put it in the center of the entire room, don't have anything else set up, and you expect to run a business. Well, you're going to fail. That's not going to be a business. No, what you're going to do is you're going to build the business first. You're going to get the gondolas, which are the shelving units that you're going to put the candy bars on. You're going to get countertops. You're going to get shelving. You're going to get the cold storage. You're going to get a fountain machine, bank accounts, cash registers, employees, all that sort of stuff before you put any inventory into your business. Now, This is what it looks like. Every piece of candy bar is a piece of inventory. Every box of candy bar is an inventory. Every house is a piece of inventory in your business. Now, if you have that perspective that I have a business that has inventory, now the opposite way, the backwards way, the wrong way is to view this one particular house as your business. No. That's backwards. You have your business. A house is your inventory that you put into the business, just like a box of candy bars. Exact same thing. Now, once you find the location, utilizing the internet, which is so great. I utilize Zillow. I have other videos on Zillow. Check those out as well, where I show you how to find great areas of the country to invest. Now, once you have that area, the next step you want to do is you want to build your team. Now, a lot of people say that, but they don't really show you exactly. Let me show you exactly what you need to do. The number one person that you need to have on your team, or your employees, they're basically contractors working for you. Don't call them a team, call them your business. This is your employees or your contractors, is your property manager. Now, you found a great area. Let's say you're going to start investing in like Columbia, South Carolina, and that's a great city. I'm not saying it is or isn't. I'm just saying you pick that. And you say this is going to be a good area. I found a bunch of great inventory here. I could potentially make a lot of money. First thing you need to do is call up 6 property managers. And I'm giving you like direct coaching. This is how I coach my students. I have the Real Estate Wealth Builders community where I literally teach people how to invest and how to change their lives by investing. And this is what I tell everybody. You want to interview property managers. Interview 6 different property managers so you know exactly what you're getting. You want to find the best property managers. You want to ask the right questions that help them to show you the right areas of the city to invest. What are the good properties? What you should be watching out for? All that sort of stuff. That is the first thing. Find the property managers. And if you can't find a good property manager, I've literally done this. I flew to Illinois, Springfield, Illinois, and I could not find a good property manager. It probably was just me. I just couldn't find a good one. I literally flew back and I did not invest there because I did not have a good property manager. I found plenty of great deals. Don't get me wrong. If I would have followed those other people that were saying, just find a good deal and buy it and then hope to make money, no, I would not have made money. It would have been bad. I wouldn't have anybody to actually manage the property. So now I find property managers first. Before I even find any deals, I don't care about the deals until I get a property manager. Then here's what you do. You basically get more people in your business, realtors, wholesalers, handymen, inspectors, roofers, plumbers, contractors, all these other people, you need to talk to them. Get them on your team. Make sure you can trust them by talking to them, interviewing them. Once you have this, then you have the core of your business. You have the people that you hired. The next thing you need to do is you need to start looking for properties. So as you've built the business, you look for properties. Now, here's a huge pro tip. It's actually common sense, but nobody's talking about this. And I'm going to tell you this. You need to make sure that the property manager that you hired is okay with the property or says, yes, I will manage that property. Now, here's an example. I had one student. He found a property. It was a really good property. It looked like it was going to make money. If you would have just followed the other people's advice and just, hey, it makes it, pencils out and go ahead and buy it. It's going to make you money. You ran the numbers. It's going to make you money. He realized after he talked to his property manager, after I told him, don't just buy the property, run it by your property manager. Make sure that they sign off on it. Make sure that they tell you how much you could rent it for. Make sure they tell you how much it's going to cost to rehab and fix up. After he did that, he realized in like 2 seconds, oh, my property manager says he doesn't rent it or doesn't manage that area because it's a bad area. Like, whoa, that would have been horrible. Your property manager would not even manage that property. You don't have a business if you don't have a business built. You can't just buy that property. And as you are building the business, what you want to do is you want to make sure you run through everything with experts. Now, I coach people how to invest in real estate. Invest all over the country. Like literally, I'm in Arizona and I have people investing all over the country. Every single different state you could probably think of, we're investing there. Now, here's the amazing thing. I'll have a student ask me, well, Dustin, what do you think about, Columbia, South Carolina? What do you think about that city? I'm like, I don't know. I'm not the expert and you're not the expert. We're not the experts. Well, who are the experts? It's the people that literally live there, that are doing the work there. They are the ones that are the experts. So we rely on the experts, not us, not me. I'm just showing you the principles. My goal for this, San, I also want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to get all this great stuff. I'm literally putting out 3 videos a week teaching you how to do this. That's my goal, is to get you how to do this. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. I really want to keep giving you so much more great things. And as we're doing this, I'm helping you to realize I'm not the expert. Even though I'm showing you principles, I want to show you principles that teach you how to fish. I don't want to give you a fish. I want to show you how to fish so you can do it over and over again. So what you do is you then talk to the experts. I'm not the expert. You're not the expert. The people living in that city, the property managers, the contractors, the realtors, the inspectors, all of them, they are the experts. They're the ones you're going to be relying on, making sure that you do this business right. So that is the secret. You guys make sure you build that business first. Check out this video right here, and I hope you have great success investing in real estate. I'll see you in the next video.